Here is how it's gonna go. You go to the Soul Dimension using the Wrap Ring. You beat up Blaze the Cat, get the Soul Emeralds, and leave! If you fail, I implanted the Neo chip in your head as a backup. If you still somehow fail, which I know you won't, I have my own plan.
Data has been processed. Go, acquire the Soul Emeralds. Individual status, 70 heartbeats per minute. Things to avoid, fire, direct hits, emergency protocol, Neo activation.
I'm not even tired. I'll have to train harder in case... Wait. Huh? Straight for a lady's face? Have you no shame? We don't want to hurt the civilians now, do we? What do you want? Why are you here? You are going to be a good training dummy. I do not require 2 hands to beat the likes of you. You worthless junk! I might have to use my other hand.